Alright people, right back at you. Sorry I ain't show you how I connected everything for the hoses and everything electrical wiring, but we about to get on this ground real quick. So pretty much got on the ABS mod, that's on. Got the line on that goes from the left to the right, right to left.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Right here, ABS sensor wires.
You're giving me wind and rain.
That's pretty much about it.
You're some kind of butterfly.
Show you what it is.
Baby, you give me midnight.
That's the brand new piece there.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
New one, this the old one. Difference, the old one.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't treat myself back the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just treat the
Today's Sunday. I'm gonna put this plug right here.
Baby, you give me
Put that one over
ice
here.
and fire.
That's it. Alright, so let me go ahead
Giving
and
me
stick the
wind
plug
and
on.
rain. Some
And
kind of butterfly.
here.
Baby,
So look
you
wet, but it's greasy. Let the grease on it. So
you whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
well, you know I could do that one when I want to. Alright, so we're gonna go
But I
ahead.
don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Let's do this one
Let's
now.
not get ahead of my time.
Just gotta find it just like that. Put it in.
But I don't
Turn
wanna
this
miss
piece
you,
here.
baby.
She should lock.
So I stand
That's it.
up
She
and
locks in
speak my
Let's see what
mind.
that one is on. Alright, so that's done. Let's get over here to this one. That's her right there. She got to go in here. Alright, so what I want to do real quick is put a little bit of this white stuff over the thread. You moist that out, but I don't know how you do it. Like this. She come out from the top.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Alright, I got the tin up.
You're chilling wind and rain.
I'm cold right now.
You're some kind of
But
butterfly.
like I said, you're on operator.
Baby,
That's what you need. There you go. She came out with it. Alright. So what we want to
you
do.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me
That's on here. That's all. I already got
Baby, you give
some grease inside of that piece there. So I just want to get on here. So once I spin,
chilling wind and
good.
rain.
Alright, so you see
You're
it
some kind
right
of
here.
butterfly.
Once you get spinning, you see it right
Baby,
around.
you give
Alright,
me
so I'm gonna take this piece here. I'm gonna try to put her.
You whip up my appetite.
You know, I want this.
Don't leave me here high and dry.
Go.
Oh,
See on the bottom. And one here. Let me figure it out. There we go. Alright, so let me take the glove off. It's starting to rain again. Alright, let me take the glove off. Let me take this off real quick. Alright. Here we go. Focus. Focus. Right here. Just gotta turn it on. That's all. I need to go back up and get the wrench so I can tighten it, but that's pretty much good. That's pretty much the idea right there. All right, so as we on the red tape, I just had to splice, connect the wires. I had to take the old one from this side, put it on this side because this is a new piece. The setup is new, it's different. So everything is different here. So this is the new stuff. This is the old stuff. So I wanted to get two of these ABS mods. That one got to be the original also. But the thing is, these things was $189 on the narrow price. And if I had to go get it under my price, it would have been $250, $260, probably $300. So I got it on the narrow price. So it'll work out. All right. So let me go ahead and get the wrench, start tightening this up, and that's pretty much about it. So I got to get up off this ground first. All right. So let me get at y'all. Let me get up first. YouTube, this your boy JQuilATL. I'm on the ground, but I'm on a pretty much a dollar. something to land on. And it's Sunday, y'all take care of yourself. I'm about to go home, take a hot shower, get warm. I gotta get my dogs out. I gotta get this truck off this thing, tighten up that piece. But y'all take care of yourself. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Hey, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to this video, or share this video. Alright? And I get at y'all later. Keep wrenching. Take care of yourself. Take care of the truck. Because if you don't take care of the truck, it ain't gonna take care of you. I look a little tired, but I am, and I'm cold. But I'm about to get off this ground and I'll let y'all peace.